Today is just one of those days that I couldn't be more proud to celebrate the transformation of this block in downtown Warroad.
It's not every day you get to crack open a 100-year-old building and see what's hiding behind the walls, so there's definitely going to be challenges with that, but I think it'll be a fun experience.
It's a big moment for the community, and I guess personally for me, because born and raised here, I can't wait to see how this honors our roots, but also sends us to the next stage of what Warroad will be. It'll be here a long time. So.
This time next year, it's going to be completely different out here. So.
Golden Sledgehammer Celebration.
Everybody say, please.
Cheese.